So, my beautiful people, what do you guys think about me filming a simple lifestyle vlog? We are in summer now, so most of our content is going to be vlog. So, keep watching. So, guys, it's already weekend and we have to make some shopping. So, come along with me. Let's do some shopping. At the moment, I'm in Lidl, as you can see, just to get one or two things. Okay, guys, keep watching. One thing I have noticed in this country is that when you go to shop in the morning, you will buy a lot of fresh veggies.
A few moments later.
So guys, right now I'm in Rossmann to get my skincare products and some shampoos with vitamins. Okay guys, so yeah.
1 hour later.
Right now I'm back home about to prepare lunch, as you can see. So here is me trying to make some sauce. These are the veggies I bought, looking so fresh. Yeah, so keep watching. So guys, if you're watching me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always tuning in to watch my video. I don't take each and any one of you for granted. Thank you so much. I really appreciate from the deep bottom of my heart. So guys, keep watching and don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Continue watching.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give
10
me
minutes
a
later.
sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons
A
in
few
different
moments
versions. Each
later.
new
So guys, at this stage I'm going to be adding all the proteins. As you can see, I just added the grilled fish, mackerel fish. Next I will be adding in the boiled egg. Stir everything together and let it simmer for some few minutes and the sauce is ready. As you can see, I did not add any single water to this sauce. It's just the veggies and the taste is awesome. The taste is sugary lekker. If you haven't tried this recipe, give it a try. A trial will convince you. So keep watching.
A few moments later.
Okay, my people, as you can see, I'm going to enjoy this sauce with white rice and beans, yeah, with some fried plantain, and the taste is something else. So tasty. Keep watching.
The next day.
So right now, guys, I'm about to braid my hair. I'm at my stylist place, yeah, and I just want to quickly make a simple hairstyle that will not give me stress, because me, I'm that type that I hardly sit down to braid my hair. That is my problem, and I don't even have time. Even when I have the time to go there and sit down for a long time is also a problem. Honestly, guys, I don't know if I'm the only one passing through this. If you are in my shoe, please drop it at the comment section and let me know what you think, or if there is any options. I don't mind taking it too, honestly. And one thing I love about this my stylist is that she's very good, as in she can make all kinds of hair, any hairstyle you want. Just come to her, she will give you what you need, and she's so fast. If you want simple hairstyle, she's good to go. If you want, as a name it, she's there to give you what you need. That is one thing I like about her, and she's very fast. This hair did not take me nothing less than 1 hour. I'm done. Okay, guys, because yeah, actually I make the hair big. I wanted it like this, and I'm satisfied with what I got. So guys, if I were to rate this woman, I will give her 8 over 10. She's very good. She knows how to braid hair, and this is my natural hair. You can see how strong the hair is looking, not relaxed. I've been carrying this natural hair for a long time now, because the truth is that why I decided to braid this hair is that I'm tired of carrying my natural hair, and we are in summer, the weather is hot, so I find it difficult to wear wigs. Normally, if it's at the winter, I normally wear wigs, but sometimes this wigs is tiring, honestly. So right now she's done with the hair, and I love what I'm seeing, as in my new look. I'm loving myself, yeah.
A few hours later.
So guys, I'm back home. I was so hungry, I could not even film when I was frying the yam. So I decided to rush into kitchen and prepare some food for myself. And the fried yam was the only thing I could think about, and my leftover sauce is still remaining.
The next day.
So my people, right now I'm taking you guys to this African shop, Christy shop precisely. You can see the sign. You can see the cow head sign, like that African vibe. And you can see how beautiful the shop is looking. So clean, so tidied. Everywhere is shining. Anything you want in this shop, you will get it. Name it all. Any African dish that you cannot find anywhere, come to this shop, you will get it. And this shop is not hard to find. It's located at Bremen City. If you are in Germany, once you get to Bremen, Umbrella bus stop, just ask anybody where you can find this shop, Auntie Christy shop, and they will bring you to this place. It's not hard to find, and the area is so beautiful. In this shop, she sells both abacha, nkwobi, any African food. I mean any food you are looking for. As far as it's Nigerian African food, come to this shop and you will get it, and the price is affordable. You can see the isiu is served, looking so yummy, looking so delicious, and the taste is awesome. I tell you guys, if I were to rate this woman Isiewu, I will give her 8/10. Yes guys, there are some other places you can get this Isiewu, but this shop, just come to this shop and you will not regret coming to this shop. Here is me trying to enjoy the Isiewu because I cannot come and kill myself. Yes, so my wonderful people. So at this stage, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye. Ciao.